Guys, we've got an emergency situation here. This little bird is in serious trouble. He's weak, barely able to open his eyes, and we just found out why. Parasitic larvae. These nasty intruders are literally feeding off him. But don't worry, we're about to change that. Let's save this little guy. First things first, gloves on. We don't want to stress him out more than he already is, and we definitely don't want to spread any bacteria. Now, let's take a closer look. There, you see that tiny lump? That's where the larvae have burrowed under his skin. This has to be painful. Alright, we need to be extremely careful here. If we pull too hard, we might leave part of the parasite inside, causing an infection. But if we do it right, boom, one down. Ooh, look at that thing. Disgusting. Imagine having this under your skin. Poor little guy. He's already looking a little better, but we're not done yet. Time for some antiseptic to clean up the wound and prevent infection. We've got to make sure he heals up properly. Now that he's parasite-free, let's give him some fluids and food. When birds are weak like this, hydration is key. And look, he's actually eating. That's a great sign. And just like that, he's back. It's amazing how a little help can make such a huge difference. He's looking stronger, more alert, and soon he'll be ready to fly again. Guys, if you ever find a bird in trouble, remember, a small act of kindness can save a life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more rescue stories. See you in the next one. Welcome to the fascinating world of swiftlet farming. These little birds may look delicate, but they're responsible for producing one of the most prized delicacies in the world, bird's nest. And today, we're taking you behind the scenes to see exactly how it's done. Once inside, the birds start building their nests using their own saliva. Sounds weird? Maybe, but this stuff is packed with nutrients and has been valued for centuries in Asian cuisine. After a few months, the nests are ready to be harvested. But don't worry, this is done very carefully to make sure our feathered friends stay safe and come back year after year. And there you have it, the incredible journey from tiny birds to one of the most luxurious foods on the planet. If you found this as fascinating as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing nature stories. See you next time.